Hi guys, my name is Golda King and I'm a painter. Welcome to my studio. I'll give you a quick look. That's my cat Puppy. So yeah, welcome. What are you doing to stay creative? I have been painting a lot. I have at least 30 new paintings, and I just started 2 large-scale paintings. These are 5 by 6 feet, and I am going to attempt to stipple on these paintings. I've never done stippling on this scale before, so wish me luck. I also have been brewing my own kombucha and making a lot of cold processed soaps. 2 years ago, I started taking workshops and classes on brewing kombucha and making cold processed soaps, and it's been really fun learning about these things. I also have been reading a lot about fermentation, and so far I've been able to make my own lacto-fermented lemons, lacto-fermented calamansi, lacto-fermented hot sauce. I also have been making at least 2 or 3 cocktails a day. Cheers. I took a bartending certification course in San Francisco a few years back, so if I would most definitely be a mixologist or a bartender. What did I panic buy? I got litter for my cat's litter boxes. I got food for my cats, Puppy and Kusmud, and I got vitamins. What has the quarantine taught me? That time is precious and that gratitude goes a long, long way. What can't I live without? Well, it goes without saying, family and friends, my studio, my cats, but I don't think I'd be able to survive without good internet connection and my phone. So we were given 3 words to choose from and make a 30-second sketch based on the chosen word. And I wasn't quite sure which one I wanted to choose, but the word adaptation came to mind, and it made me think of Bruce Lee's quote, "Be water, my friend." And it goes something like, empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, just like water. If you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. Water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. So I kind of cheated a little bit and made my sketch beforehand, but I'm sure it took less than 30 seconds. So here it is. This is watercolor on Yupo paper, and I splashed a little bit of alcohol to create these gorgeous textures. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you guys are taking good care of yourselves, and I hope to see you guys very soon, or like come visit me in my studio or something, and we'll have a few drinks. Bye guys, see you.